to it. Real one, ain't nothing to it. Boss, ain't nothing to it. Real one. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianamccalip, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today's video is featuring Allie Grace's hair. My mom will be doing a tutorial on this hairstyle that I got my hair now. It's so cute. It's so summertime, and I did a quick beat because I definitely gotta go. I was gonna do something like eyeshadow, but I didn't, only because I'm pressed for time. So a natural beat is always the best to go with any look, especially for the summertime. So this could be like my go-to summertime look. Check the description bar below. If you want to purchase some hair, it definitely will be in the description bar. But until then, I don't want to talk too much in the intro. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So, jumping right into it, I have 3 bundles of Allie Grace hair and a closure. So we didn't use a closure. I am all for the ponytails, the up and downs, the bobs, all this summer, y'all. So an easy way to get this look is to have a glue-in, something quick that you can exchange styles with. So what my mom is doing now, she already prepped the hair by basically parting it. So she parted some of the top out to have a leave out and also a ponytail at the top, and then she attached the braid to the top of the ponytail so that she can do the extended ponytail, but into a bun. So for the cap, also she took some of my edges out on the side, not literally took them out, but like took them out so she can make the swirls, and she put the cap and molded the back and put Morning Glory on the cap so that it could be protected. So she's just basically going in with the 24-inch, and I have a 22 and a 20-inch bundle. So she's going to use the 20 for the top, and then she used 3 packs, well 2.5, and then the rest for the top. So yeah, you just basically going into a circle until you get to the top, and then you're gonna basically close it off with the hair that was left out of the ponytail at the top. Y'all, this look is super easy to do. Like, y'all could do it on yourself in the mirror. Like, I could do this on myself in the mirror. It probably won't turn out as neat, but I could definitely do this in the mirror because it looks so easy. And y'all can do this at home as well. now we about to blend my hair into the weave, y'all. Okay, so she's taking a wax stick so it could be like silky pressed, and she's basically taking the flat irons in her comb so that everything can be melted into one. Okay, girl, let's get it with these thick baby bangs. Okay, honey, these are super thick. But she didn't want to put my hair back into the glue-in because, you know, sometimes with glue-ins, things tend to get oily, greasy, and kind of, you know, lift up. So she didn't want to put most of the hair back there. So what she's doing now is she's basically wrapping the bundle of hair around the ponytail, the extended braided ponytail that was made at the top, and then she's going to close it off with a needle, well, a stitch, and then she's basically going to take all the hair and she's going to twist it and wrap it into this like pretty little top knot bun, y'all. It's so cute for the summertime, and y'all could definitely get this too. See, look, so easy. Wrap, 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 twist, twist, girl. Twist is what she's doing. And then she's going to twist it around. And then take the leftover hair and cover the track. To extra seal it, she's going to take the flat iron and she's going to mold it. And that's it, y'all. Don't forget to go check out Ali Grace on the description right below. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this bomb hairstyle. This is if I had some chopsticks, it would have set it off. Like it would have been like a Chinese like hairstyle. But yeah, this is day 3 of me wearing this hairstyle, and it's still bomb. I did get a 24, 22, and a 20-inch, plus I think it's a 18-inch closure. You can go check out that link in the description right below. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed in this hair. So wow. Look, also, because you see 2 different looks because I had to do the outro to this look. So this definitely will be up if it's not up already. It's not a tutorial, it was a live video, so definitely go check that out. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.